fourth chapter, that is the first standard maths. Numbers up to 50. Numbers up to 50. See here, complete the numbers from 1 to 20 on the numbers train. 1 to 20 we have to write on here. So first here it is a train, all are bogies. So where is this one? Up to, we have to write on 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, now we will move on. What here? So what we are learning here? Look ahead. First one is building and writing the numbers from 21 to 50. You have to write down the buildings and write down the numbers 21 to 50. Representing numbers on a abacus. Representing numbers on the abacus. Then before, after and between. Then comparing the numbers, ordering of numbers. My way ahead. My way ahead. Fabina, Manjeet, Azhar are at fair. So they are in the fair. Who is Manjeet, Fabina and Azhar and Fabina and Azhar. No, so they are in the fair. Then what happened? Their own stall of sticks. Won't stop making their own stall of sticks. They are making a stalls of sticks. Okay, in the fair. See, here Manjeet is telling, I have to count the sticks to check that we have enough for our stall at the fair. We have sticks to sell. Which one is in the fair? Our own stall is there, so we have to sell. So we have to check that one. Enough sticks are there or not. Yes, we know that tens and ones make 1 tens. Hoda? Yes. She is telling, let me help you. I am helping you. First we shall bundle them in groups of 10. Fabina is telling, he is telling we are checking the sticks are there or not, and Fabina is telling, let me help. I am helping to bundle of them tens group. So yes, we know that tens ones makes 110. Tens makes what? 110. Yes, let us easily count now. So we know that 10 ones make 110. So tens bundle is there. What this one? 1 tens ones is there. We are bundling this one. One we tie. This is a 110. So in this 110, tens, how many sticks are there? 10 sticks are there. So it is a 110. So here it is a 110 and 210. That is a 2 tens means what? 20. 10, 20, 20. So 20 ones means 2 tens. 20 sticks are there. So 26 are there. 1 bundles. This is 1 bundle means 10 sticks are there. So 110 and this is a 2 tens. So building the numbers from 21 to 30. Now we are building the 21 to 30. Let us understand how to build numbers from 21 to 30. 21 to 30. Say the numbers as you write. When you are writing, say and write. So here it is a 1 bundle and 2 bundle. 2 bundle means what? 20. 20 sticks are there. So 110 and 210. And only 1 is there. So only 1, that is a 1. So makes what? 21. 21. Tens place, that is a 2 and ones place is 1. Ones is 1 and that is a tens 2. So 21. TWENTY 21. ONE 1. Second one 20 20 sticks are there. So 110 and 210. 110 and 210, that is a 2 tens. And here it is a how many ones? So 2 are there. 2 sticks are separate. That is a 2. That is a 2 ones. Makes what? 22. 22. So tens is 2 and ones is 2. 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. 2. T-W-O. 2. Now 2 bundles are here, that is a 10 and 20. So 2 tens and 3 are stick separately, that is a 3 ones. Make 23. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. So 23. So 2 tens are 2 and ones are 3. So 23. Now 2 tens, that is a 2 tens and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 ones. 4 ones. So that is a 24. 24. Tens is 2 and ones is 4. 24. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. F-O-U-R. 4. Now 2 tens, 1 and 2. That is a 2 tens. 1 tens and 2 tens. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. And makes what? 25. 25. So 2, 5, 25. 2, 5 what? 25. So T-W-E-N-T-Y. 5. F-I-V-E. 5. 25. Now 2 tens, 1 tens and 2 tens. 2 tens. How many sticks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones makes 26. 2, 6, 26, 26. The tens are 2 and ones are 6. 26. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 26. S-I-X. 6. Now 20s. This is what? 20. 110 and 210. In bundle 110, that is a tens sticks are there. So it is a 110 and another one is 110. 1 and 2, 2 tens. How many sticks are there here? Ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sevens. 7 ones. Makes 27. 22, 7, 27. So 27. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 27. S-E-V-E-N. 7. 27. Now 2 tens are here. So 2 tens and how many sticks are here? 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. Makes 28. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. E-I-G-H-T. 8. 28. So 2, 8, 28. So 20. Now 29. So 1 tens and 2 tens. 2 tens, 9. How many sticks are there? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ones and makes 29. 2, 9, 29. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. N-I-N-E. 9. 29. Now here it is 2 tens. Yes, no? And how many sticks are here? Again 10 sticks are here. So this is a 110. So 110, 2 tens and 3 tens. It is a 30. Makes 30. 30. 30. T-H-I-R-T-Y. 30. Tens and ones. 30. 30. See my practice time 1. Here it is there. What? Here it is a missing numbers are there. Fill in the missing numbers. We have to write the numbers. See 2, 1 is there. So 2, 1, 21. Afterwards 2, 2. We have to write down 2, 2, 22. 2, 3, 23. 2, 4, 24. 2, 5, 25. 2, 6, 26. 2, 7, 27. 2, 8, 28. 2, 9, 29. 30, 30. So you have to write down whichever the missing numbers, that one you have to finish and you have to complete this one exercise part. That is a practice time 1. Now second one, match the numbers with their numbers name. So match it. the numbers with the numbers name. See 2, 3, 23, 23. Where is the 23? See 21 is there, 23. So you have to match this one. 28. Where is the 28? 28 is here. So 28 you have to match this one. 26. See 26. Where is the 26? 26 is here. So you have to match this one. 21. So I am matching this one 21. So 21. T W E N T Y 20 O N E 1 21. 29. Where is the 29? See here it is. So 29. T W E N T Y 29. N I N E 9. So 23. Here 28. Here 29. 21 here, 29 here. Yes, no? So we have this one, you have to match this one. Now next one, third, fill in the blanks. We have to fill in the blanks. See 29 has what this one, how many tens and how many ones are here. So 20. So 20 means 2 tens. So you have to write down 2 tens and how many nines? This is a 1 9. So this is 9. 1 9. See this is a 9 ones. Yes, no? 1 9 ones. 29. Always you have to write down the place value, that is a ones and tens. Ones and tens. See in 20 the tens place is 2 and ones place is 9. Yes, no? So second one 24. 24. Tens place what? 2. 2 tens and 4 is ones. That is a 4 ones. Now C1 22 has in tens place that is a 2. So 2 tens and ones place that is a 2 ones. Now D1 20 has how many tens? Tens place is 2. So 2 tens and ones what? 0 ones. So A, B, C, D is we have to fill this one blanks. 29 that has 2 tens and 9 ones. 24 has 2 tens has and 4 ones. 22 has 2 tens and 2 ones. 20 has 2 tens and 0 ones. Now we will move on. The fourth one, read the numbers on each abacus and write them in the boxes. Also write their numbers name in the blanks. So we have to write the numbers and also numbers name. So now we have to count. This is what? This is abacus. In abacus what we are doing? We are adding and subtracting. No? So now you count the ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ones place is 5 and tens place is what? 1 and 2. So 2 tens. 2 tens and 5 ones. So 25. So T25 you have to write down the numbers and numbers name. Numbers names that is a TWEN NTY 20 FIVE 5 25. Now second one we have to count the bits and afterwards we have to write down. Now let us start 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 ones and tens place 1 and 2. So 27. TWENTY 20 7 SEVEN 7 27. Okay. Now last one, this one. We have to count this on ones place. That is how many bits are here? 1 bits. That is ones place is 1 and tens place is 1 and 2. That is a 2. 21. So TWENTY 21. So this one you have to complete in your notebook and textbook also. Okay. Bye.